Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter unit of measurement. The lessons we're going to cover today are compare and convert metric units, compare and convert metric units of volume, compare and convert metric units of length, add and subtract mixed customary units. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I am on grade 4 math. The chapter we're on right now is unit of measurement. Let's just start with the lesson that is compare and convert metric units. Let's just start with the examples, which is more 16 centimeter or 1 decimeter. So basically, you need to learn the basic conversion units, right? 1 decimeter equal, I'm going to write them down on the board. You can note them down so that you can remember them later. 1 decimeter equals, hold on, 1 decimeter equals 10 centimeter, right? So the question is 1 decimeter equals 10 centimeter. So then obviously 16 centimeter is more than 1 decimeter because on 1 decimeter you have just 10 centimeters. So 16 centimeters is more than 1 decimeter. 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. And 1 liter equal 1000 milliliters. 1 liter equal 1000 milliliters, right? These are the basic units. Now let's just start with the test questions. Let's see. Which is more, 1547 or 1 kiloliter? So in 1 kiloliter, you have 1000 liters. 1 kiloliter equal 1000 liters, right? So that is 1547 liters is more because 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters, right? So 1547 is more than 1000. So option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, how many liters equals 1000 milliliter, which is the correct option? That is 1 liters, right? Hello, hello, hello. But I can hear myself. Everyone, can you hear me? Please write a yes in the chat box because I can hear myself. 1000 milliliters equal 1 liter. Hello, everyone, can you hear me? Please write a yes in a chat box. 1000 grams equal how many kilograms? 1000 grams equal 1 kilogram. The correct option is 1 kilogram. 1000 milliliters equal how many grams? 1000 milligrams equal 1 gram. The correct option is 1 gram. Very good. 1000 liters equal how many kiloliters? 1000 liters equal 1 kiloliter. The correct option is option number 2. 1 it is. Which is more, 16 centimeter or 1 decimeter? Which is the correct option? 1 decimeter equal 10 centimeter, right? So then 16 centimeter is more than 1 decimeter, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. 16 centimeter is more than 1 decimeter. That is 16 centimeter. Option number 1 is the correct option. 1000 grams equal how many kilograms? One thousand grams equal 1 kilogram. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which is more, 1 decimeter or 131 millimeters, which is the correct option? 131 milliliters is more, millimeters is more because in 1 decimeter you have 100 millimeters, right? I think I have already written 1 decimeter equal 100 millimeters. Let me write it down over here. 1 decimeter equal 100 millimeters, right? So then 131 millimeter is more than 1 decimeter. Got it? Convert 100 centimeter equal. That is 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is compare and convert metric units of volume. Let's just start with the lesson. Which is more, 7,000 liters or 7 liter? That is, they are exactly equal. 1 liter equal 1000 milliliters. That is already written on the board. 1 liter equal 1000 milliliters. So 7000 milliliters equals 7 liter, right? Okay, then 4000 milliliters equal how many liters? 4000 milliliters equal 4 liter. Which is more, 3 liters or 2998 milliliters? 3 liters equal 3000 milliliters, right? So 3000 milliliters is more than 2998. So 3 liters is than 2998 milliliters. Let's just start with the test questions. 2 liters equal how many milliliters? 2 liters equal 2000 milliliters. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which is more, 8,999 liters or 9 liter? In 1 liter, we have 1000 milliliters, right? So 9 liter equal 9000 milliliters. So 9000 milliliters is more than 8,999 milliliter, right? So which is more? 9 liters. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 9 liters. 10,000 milliliters equal how many liters? That is 10 liters equal 10,000 milliliters. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which is more, 5 liter or 4,998 milliliters? Which is the correct option? 'That is 5 liters. Because 1 liter equal 1000 milliliters, right? So then 5 liter equal 5000 milliliters, and 5000 milliliters is more than 4998. So the correct option is option number 1 is the correct option. 4000 milliliters equal how many liters? 4000 milliliters equal 4 liters. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 4 liters. Which is more, 3 liters or 2998 milliliters? Which is the correct option? That is 3 liters. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is compare and convert metric unit of length. Okay, which is more 1 meter or 150 centimeter, 159 centimeter. So 1 meter equal 100 centimeter, right? So 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. So 1 meter or 159 centimeter, which is more? So that is 159 centimeter is more. Which is more 1 centimeter or 14 millimeter? In 1 centimeter, we have 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter equal 10, right? So which is more 1 centimeter or 14 millimeter? So 14 millimeter is more because in 1 centimeter we have 10 millimeters. Which is more 1 meter or 1990 millimeter? The correct option is 1990 millimeters because in 1 meter we have 1000 meters. Let's just start with the test questions. One centimeter equal how many millimeters? What does not make sense? These are the measurements. You just have to remember them. I haven't, these are the measurements. 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeters. I haven't made them on my own. 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeters. You can ask complete questions. 1000 meters. What does not make sense? 1000 meters equal how many kilometers? 1000 meters equal 1 kilometer. Which example? Just write a question when I am on the example you don't understand, right? 1000 meters equal 1 kilometer. That is option number 1. 1 meter equal how many millimeters? That is 1000 millimeters. 100 centimeter equal how many meters? 100 centimeter equals 1 meter. The correct option is option number 2. 10 millimeter equal how many centimeter? 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeters. Which is more, 1 meter or 1990 millimeters? The correct option is 1990 meters because in 1 meter you have 1000 millimeters. Why 1 meter? 1 meter equals 1000 millimeters. So 1990 is greater than 1000 millimeters. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which is more, 1000 meters or 1 kilometer? That is, they both are exactly equal because 1000 meters equal 1 kilometer, so neither, which is more, neither, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next one is add and subtract mixed customary units. 6 pint 1 cup minus 2 pint. So you always add or subtract the same units, right? You add pints to pints and cups to cups. So you are going to subtract. You are 1 cup. You don't have cups, any cups here. So you need to write 1 cup as it is. And 6 minus 2 is 4 pint. That is 4 pint and 1 cup, right? You always add the same units. Keep this very important point in your mind. You need to add gallons to gallons, quarts to quarts. Subtract, which is the correct option, option 1 or 2? That is 3 gallons, 1 quart. Option number 2 is the correct option because you have to subtract gal. You don't have the gallons over here, so just write them as it is. And 3 minus 2 is 1, so that is 3 gallons and 1 quart. Option number 2 is the correct option. 1 pound 8 ounces plus 2 pound 3 ounces, which is the correct option. That is 3 pounds and 11 ounces. Option number 1 is the correct option. 1 feet 3 inch plus 1 feet 6 inches. So which is the correct option? That is 2 feet and 9 inches. Option number 2 is the correct option. Nine quarts, 1 pint minus 5 quarts, which is the correct option. That is 4 quarts, 1 pint. Option number 2 is the correct option. 5 tons 901 pounds minus 2 tons 150 pounds. So which is the correct option? That is 3 tons and 751 pounds. Option number 1 is the correct option. 4 yards 1 feet plus 1 yards. Which is the correct option? 'That is 5 yards 1 feet. Option number 2 is the correct option. 4 tablespoon 2 teaspoon minus 3 tablespoons. Which is the correct option? Mm, that is 1 tablespoon and 2 teaspoon. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 4 math. The chapter we were working on is we were working on the chapter unit of measurement. The lessons we have covered today are compare and convert metric units, compare and convert metric units of volume, compare and convert metric units of length, add and subtract mixed customary units. And the one we have left, convert mixed customary units. This one you have to do on your own. That is your homework before the next session. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or I can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please ask questions if you have any. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.